Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a wild one that's been all over YouTube and Facebook, the so-called pink salt trick for weight loss, and a product called Burn Jaro. Let's get into it. First up, if you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably seen these weird ads. They usually feature a woman in her kitchen holding lemons, baking soda, and a giant bag of salt. She's all smiles talking about some new Japanese pink salt recipe that supposedly melts fat like crazy. No exercise, no diets, no injections. Then the video says, I tried this 4-ingredient recipe and lost 3 dress sizes in a month. Even my doctor told me to stop going to the gym. And of course, the video claims it's all natural, super easy, and more powerful than Ozempic or Mounjaro. Big red flag right there. But before they actually tell you the recipe, they hit you with a quiz. You have to answer questions like, are you a man or a woman? How much weight do you want to lose? It's the same trick as those old IQ test scams, or see if you qualify for a miracle product. The only goal is to keep you on the page and get you invested. Then, after the fake quiz, you're redirected to a new website where they say there's a secret video that will reveal everything. It's always urgent. Only 48 hours left, limited spots, or this video could be taken down at any moment. Now, about that secret video, it's a slick, AI-generated infomercial. Here's the crazy part. They actually use fake voices and faces of celebrities like Oprah Winfrey and Kim Kardashian, talking about how this pink salt trick changed their lives. You'll hear lines like, just one little spoonful before bed, and you'll wake up feeling like your belly went through liposuction, or I lost 24 pounds in 15 days without even trying. They even claim this trick activates fat-burning hormones and is 96 times more powerful than expensive injections. It's all complete nonsense. So after sitting through all the hype, you'd expect to finally get the recipe, right? Nope. The video drags on for 20, 30, even 40 minutes, but never actually reveals the so-called secret recipe. Instead, they just keep hyping it up, throwing in more before and after pictures and more emotional stories. And then, here's the punchline. They hit you with a sales pitch for a supplement called Burn Jaro. They claim this is the only way to get the real pink salt trick. They promise it's FDA approved, recommended by experts, and comes with a 60-day guarantee. Of course, none of that is true. The real ingredients, most buyers say it's just cheap probiotics. Definitely nothing to do with any pink salt trick, and definitely not worth $100 a bottle. The video even features a bunch of so-called reviews and testimonials. It's the usual stuff, people claiming they lost huge amounts of weight, their lives changed, their friends are jealous, whatever. But none of these reviews are real. A lot of them are either paid actors, AI generated, or just straight up made up. But let's talk about what actually happens. Every time we post a warning about Burn Jaro, people flood the comments telling us how they got scammed. Here's what some of our viewers shared. Scam! I'm working with my bank to get a refund. The product isn't what they promised. It's just apple cider vinegar. I paid almost $300 and only got a basic probiotic. They never gave me my money back, even with their so-called guarantee. They refuse to accept returns unless you use it for 60 days, even if you have a bad reaction. And if you check sites like Trustpilot, it's the same story. 1-star reviews everywhere. People report being double charged, getting the wrong product, and never being able to reach customer service. One person wrote, this pink salt trick is a total scam. They use fake celebrity videos, and the supplement is nothing like what they promise. Another review says, I could have bought the same probiotic on Amazon for $3.99. Total ripoff. So here's the bottom line. There is no magical pink salt trick. Burn Jaro is not FDA approved, and all those celebrity endorsements, 100% fake, generated by AI. Don't fall for the hype, don't waste your money, and always check real reviews before you buy anything online.